It's 20 foot long or better, ain't it? We're gonna step it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon. Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
Swaps and stuff.
What up? What up? What is happening, good people? Big shout out to the ones that did the interviews with me. These are older interviews. I've just now figured out a way how to get them off from my Facebook account onto a YouTube account. So bear with me. I got like 3 or 4 maybe, I think. Some of them may be short, some of them may be long. I'm not sure. But one thing for sure is, man, I thank the people that took time out to chit-chat and talk to me about hot rods and cars and stuff when they didn't have to do so. So, with that being said, I got a surprise jumping for a family member. He done went out and copped him a old school. I remember the old school when he was a kid. I remember the exact same car his parents had when he was a kid, and he went out and bought the exact same car, maybe a year older, but he got him one. So, with him having that, not sure what the motor's going to be about. That being said, we may be able to gift him a 5348 or 6.0, who knows? What up, what up, what up, what's happening, good people? Swaps stuff, swaps performance, however you say it. How y'all doing today? We're gonna stop, we're gonna look at this 76 Monte Carlo. We're gonna check it out if he's there. We're gonna check this 76 Monte Carlo out. It belongs to my cousin. I'm gonna slick him. He don't know. His birthday and my birthday are right beside each other. I'll throw in some clips of how long we've been ride or die us, however you want to call it. You know what I mean? Man, we used to have birthday parties together. Celebrate birthday parties together. And since we older, we got back into doing it, and he's been heading that up. Him and my sister and my brother has been heading that up 100%, man. Lord willing, this year I'll be there. You see what I'm saying? And him, my sister, and all my other cousins, my mom, man, they head this up. So while he's keeping that alive, I want to make sure to do something for him. You know what I mean? Y'all, 1975, 76 goes. 1976 Monte Carlo. It's got the swivel seats in it. I do know that. I don't know what he's got going on here. He's pulled it apart. He's been pulling it apart, checking. It's got swivel seats in it. I think he's gonna keep those. It's not a bad car. Y'all remember the 75, 76, 76, 77 Monte Carlo? Don't you? The door weigh over 300 pounds. Y'all remember? I know y'all do. At least the ones that are older. You know what I mean? These guys that are older. Let's see what they got there. Same. Let's see what he got under the hood. Oh yeah, we've got a 2-barrel something. It look like, I don't know if they put it in or what, but they beat that daggone heater box to death. But you can fiberglass that back together. Well, then again, somebody might have tried to. But you can fiberglass that back together. Distributor shot, AC. Yeah, this needs to come out. I wouldn't even attempt to try to get it running anymore myself. And then I would, well, man, one thing I would tell y'all to do, man, if y'all pulling these old motors out and they're not running, like say this case, check them numbers, man. Run those numbers. I messed up. Had a 4-bolt main. I had a guy who was gonna give me $600 for it. It's after the fact, of course. And that's what he said. You know, he may have not was gonna give me that kind of money, but he also made it seem like he was gonna give me that kind of money. So again, man, y'all gonna pull these motors, man, check the numbers before you do. Before you decide to discard them or sell them or whatever, real cheap. So we got a little bit of rust around here, a little bit of that around there. Y'all remember how long these cars are, right? It's 20 foot long or better, ain't it? We'll step it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, somewhere around there. You know, from bumper, the point of the bumper to the back of the car. You know, he's getting, he don't know this, y'all. He's getting the LS. He put in, oh shoot, I probably wasn't supposed to shut that all the way. He put in for the giveaway engine, and he didn't win it, of course, you know. And that sucks, you know. But this is his car that he had. Well, I remember as a kid, his dad and his mom had the same car. Trying to find out, I think this is a 76, and I asked his dad about it. He said, no, mine was a 75. I said, oh, okay, but it was black. I do remember that. Swivel seats, I remember that. This, I've never seen this before. This emblem here, it's old school. Old school. Old school. Yeah, man, this thing's got to get a different motor in it. Different. I want to say it's probably going to have a 350, 400 turbo in it. It does. Let me go on this other door. Let me open it up. Swivel seats, like I said. Probably hit it with some rubber undercoat. Take all the carpet out, spray it down with the undercoat. Got the floor shifter in it. What's this say miles wise? It's got on this thing. What does it say? 26731. So, and it's got the tilt steering. If I ain't mistaken, some of these had telescoping steering, and the steering wheel would tilt up and tilt out of the way. I don't know if it was these, as in Monte Carlos, but I know that there were some cars that did do that. That steering wheel would tilt up and out of the way. Let's see if we can get him over here to say something about the car, man. Yeah, I shouldn't have shut the hood all the way, y'all. He said now you gotta get a set of pliers. I was trying to find my tripod to set it up so we can we just go through the, you know, stand over here and do the thing. So, but he's got plans. This is his old school, man. He's talked about one of these for a long time. Long time, man. I remember him talking about one for a long time. Now, as far as being able to find parts for one, I don't know. In this area we're in, this one, a red one, and another black one is the only ones I know of. And I sent him to the other two before he found this one. I think he might be putting a set of wheels on it, not sure. But I guess we're gonna check it out, see what kind of rear end we got underneath it. Like I said, I want to say it's a 350 turbo trans. Got a little bit of course, you know, it's a 76, man. The car's 45, 46 years old. I wish I could see it. I can't see it. I want to say it's 350 turbo. 350 turbo, so like I said, they're gonna pull all that out and then start all over. I know that inner, like I said, everybody uses that bed liner stuff is what they try to use sometimes. So what we got here, man? What we got here?
And this is a 76 Monte Carlo.
76 Monte Carlo. And you've been looking for one of these for how long?
20 years now.
20? He said 20 years, man. Because they had one. Like I said, I was telling y'all, they had one when he was a kid, and I remember it. But your dad said it was a 75. He said the one that y'all had, he had when y'all was growing up was a 75.
Well, ain't much difference between a 75, 76. On a 77, you got a passenger mirror on the door. 74, 75s don't.
Huh? So still got the round headlights up front, or stacked square. Still, so we got stacked headlights up front. There's nothing, and a single head. So that's okay. Single headlights are on the older ones. 73, 74, maybe.
71, 72 for sure.
What is your plan? What is this? Do you know what this is? 305, 350?
This is 350.
A 350. Original motor, far as you know?
Original motor, far as I know. But it's coming out. I want to drop an LS in it.
You said an LS, y'all. Like I said, I was telling y'all, he was trying to put up he wanted to put in, or he did put in for winning that motor. Of course, he didn't win it. You know, we know who won the motor, but he did put in. He's going to go 5.3, 4.8, 6.0. What are you thinking? Just something?
Something. 6.0 if I can find one.
6.0, he said, y'all.
If not, it'd be a 5.3.
So, I was telling the people that, that's like, man, this is my cousin. We've been rocking with each other for a long time, man. We've been knowing each other how long? You've been knowing me longer than I've been knowing you, because you're a year older than me, so we'll put it that way.
Soon to be 45 years.
See, soon to be 45 years, man. So, and like I said, and I know he's been looking for one of these for a minute, and I know he's been, you know what I mean, he's found one. He would ask me to look around, like I said, and I pointed him in the direction of a couple of them, but they were, you know, one had this wrong with it, one belonged to somebody else, one that wasn't for sale, whatever the case may be. And on them other ones, that red one and them other black one, that was I sent you down to look at.
The other black one
belonged to a customer or something?
belonged to a customer. It was clean.
Okay.
It had the bench seats. Let me show you something with this one. This one here, man, I'm starting on it, so I'm getting everything out. Has the shifter's on the floor on this one. Not only that,
it'll work better if you sit in it. Y'all know what happened when y'all ain't gonna see the new stuff. Y'all new cats, man, with these new cars, y'all don't know nothing about this, man. These are swiveling seats now. I don't know what he got going on to make it work, but I know what a swivel seat is. You got to pull it or turn it or something, man, and the seat swivels. Well,
it's stuck. Man,
it's stuck.
It's one of the coolest things I know.
You're not stuck sitting there trying to fight your way out. There it is. Look at that. Swivel around. Check it. Man, you ain't gonna buy no seats like that today for nothing. You ain't gonna get no seats like that today for nothing. On nothing, man. Nothing. So, best believe, man. Hold on, y'all. I'm ready to die. My phone about to die. Hold on. We back. We had to go get some juice, man. What do you think that door weighs? I remember trying to pick up on them, shut them, like, yeah.
I'm gonna say at least 30 pounds.
Hey, one day, somebody tell us how much I think them doors weigh, man. I know somebody knows. So what are you thinking? You think it's a nice little set of 20s, 22s, 23s, something like that?
As of right now, I got 24s.
Oh, 24s.
My goal, like I said, is dropping LS in it. I want it under its own power within the next year.
Under its own power in a year.
4 years complete.
4 years complete. See, I like that, man. He's not putting I gotta have it done tomorrow type of timeline on his car. So that's cool. That's cool, man. That's cool. Of course, you know, if he's got to find body parts and stuff for this thing, it might be kind of hard. I don't know. You may have ran down somewhere to find parts. If you don't, it's all here though. So if anything, you just probably need to do a little repair in certain places. You know, decent body man can probably fix you right on up, yo. Right on up. Right on up. And I've been seeing a couple of these fixed up online, man. You know, it's one of those ones where everybody, oh, we want a Monte Carlo G body. We want a T-top. We want a SS. Man, do you know what that General Motors did to y'all? They slicked the snot out of y'all, man. They put a 305 in that car and called it a SS. Good job, GM. Good job. Anyway, man, we're going to get back to this motor. So, you said you wanted to put a 5.3 or 6.0 in it for having it under its own power within the year.
Yes.
Okay. You have an idea of where you may or may not be able to find a motor at? Or have you been looking? You just been laying back?
Complete motor training computer, I have not been looking. Also,
you're going to do the overdrive transmission too?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know if this is a 350 turbo trans or...
I was told 400.
Oh, 400. Okay. So this will be a cruiser then. This ain't going to be no...
getting down on it.
Okay.
Sunday driving.
Okay. So overdrive is somewhat of a must, I guess. I hear you. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Well, I know a guy that has a 5.3, and he just might give you for this car, just for the heck of it. Now, will it need a harness? Probably, but it's a complete engine, all aluminum, 5.3, 2006, coming out of a Trailblazer. It was a Trailblazer or Envoy, one of those things. It had 166,000 miles on it. I drove this truck, so I know the motor's good. So now it's your motor. You just got to come pick it up and do something with it.
Appreciate it. It won't be a problem.
Gotta pick it up, do something with it. Now, I'm not saying there's a couple things you may have to get there, but you have the basis of it.
That's the start.
You're right. You have the basis of it, man. So I mean, this is for one, man. You keeping the birthday thing alive by doing the breakfast stuff and all that. So that's a cool thing. Something like I was telling the people, man. We used to have our birthday parties every year at the same time. I would skip basketball trips to go to the birthday parties, man, and they would be fun. So now that we're in our 40s, we still birthday partying. It just ain't the same, you know. It consists of family, friends, and food, and not a lot of music, you know. And it's during the day. It's not at night. Not at night. So, hey, man, we definitely gonna be chiming in on the build of the Monte Carlo, the 76 Monte Carlo. What years did they make this body style in? 75, 76, 77? 3 years? Or 74?
73 to 77.
Oh, 73 to 77. Okay. 73 to 77. I wasn't aware of that. 77. 79 and 78 is my favorite year come to Monte Carlos.
Like them, but everybody's got them.
Everybody's got them. There it is.